Hi guys!
This is my Nima.
And this is my Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. So, ito, hanap ako ng magandang question. How can you make how can you earn a 1,000 peso for a day? What will you do for you to earn that?
Work properly.
Work properly. So, aray.
I'm calling her.
Yeah, what do you think? What kind of work or what kind of job you think you will earn that?
Doctor.
Look here.
Doctor.
Oh, you think your doctor earn that kind of amount of money in a day? Wow, yes. And you know what? It's more than that.
2,000 million.
No naman. Not million in a day. A lot of thousands in a day. Kaya ako, sana naging doctor na lang ako. Yun, tama ka naman. Yeah. And do you want to be a doctor someday? What kind of doctor do you want? There's a lot of kind of doctors. There's
A school doctor and
no. School doctor, it's I think at school doctor is a physician. Eh.
both jobs.
So,
Because if I have both jobs, I get like 2,000 in a day. Okay? Then I put them together, it will be 4,000. So if I want two jobs, being a doctor teacher, is the afternoon. But being a morning doctor in a hospital is nice. Because if you work hard like this, I will be a doctor in the morning. Later afternoon, I will earn 1,000 in the doctor. And then when I go to the doctor school, I earn 1,000. So that will be 2,000.
Yeah, tama naman. Ang ibig sabihin siguro ni Arella, she can be a doctor in school. Yes, may mga professor kasing doctors. And after that, you can be a doctor in a hospital or in a school. Right?
Both.
Okay, yeah, that's good naman. Tama naman yan. And how about what kind of being a doctor? Is it a doctor of the kids? Mayroong tawag dyan. You call that
Everything.
you call that pet.
Everything.
No, walang ganun. Hirap explain, ano?
You see those in the doctors?
Kasi may doctor sa kids, may doctor sa animals, may doctor para sa heart,
May doctor sa mga buntis.
Oh, that's what I'm talking
May
about.
doctor pang matanda, senior.
No, tama.
Sa animal.
Doctor
Sa bugs.
Ay, anong bugs?
Bug.
Animals. Sa animals na nga rin yun. So, what kind of doctor do you want pa?
You see those in the hospital like in Alfonso? Who's my real doctor again in Alfonso?
You're a pediatrician. So, when you're
What is his name again? I forgot.
Dalawa yung pinatitignan natin
Yung
na
first one
pediatrician mo.
yung
It's
first sickness ako.
Dr. Isada and Dr. Templo.
Si Dr. Templo,
He's the man.
He's the first my doctor.
When you were a baby.
He's my first doctor.
When you were a baby.
Until I'm 4, he's still my doctor.
Pediatrician.
You see him, that Dr. Templo? He's also a doctor for kids.
Yeah.
Sickness
of kids.
heart.
Ay, hindi ko lang alam sa heart. Hindi.
Diba you see, in the real hospital,
There
one
are?
doctor. Like, he is a doctor of kids and sickness or pregnancies. You see that? The doctor is very good because these are how is kids sick, pregnant, sickness with heart, with the bones. They start
Yes,
For
yeah.
life.
Those are different doctors.
Then I
So,
just want to be
For kids like you call them pediatrician.
For the buntes.
You call them OB-GYNecology.
I'm the
OB-GYN.
Obigayni.
Mahirap
If you are a girl, how you say it?
OB-GYN.
Obigayni if you're a boy.
Same lang.
I get
What do you want?
obigayni.
Talaga ba? Why not doctor for kids? Much better
Ang
yun.
dami-dami na nga eh.
Okay lang yun. At least kung ano yung gusto mo.
Ito na lang.
Ano yung
Una
gusto
ko
mo?
maging doctor na teacher.
Sige.
Ito ha. If they hire me in 2 hospitals, in the morning, pwede naman, I am the doctor of the children in the afternoon. In the nighttime, I will be the doctor of, what you call that again?
OB-GYN.
Obigayni.
Huwag nang ganon. Kasi pag nag-aral ka, nag-schooling ka,
Obigayni na lang.
you will focus on one specialization. Pagka OB-GYN, lahat ng pag-aaralan mo doon, all about that. Pagka
Obigayni.
you want that. But my wish for
It's
you is
easier, it's obigayni.
being a
If
doctor.
your children, the children say, Mama, I'm scared.
Ah.
Nagkakam.
Maingay.
Diba, ang hirap mong mga bata.
Kaya ayaw mo ng kids. What about doctor of the heart?
If your children and your doctor of the heart, some of the kids are just
Or dentist? Doctor of the teeth.
dentist. Yung pag toddler, mas mahirap din siya.
Ayaw mo maging... So ka na maingay.
Diba, alis yung mga bata.
Ayaw mo na maging dentist.
So sabi, takot pa yung, mas matakot yung bata doon. Kasi I'm holding a sharp thing.
Okay. So, nasagot naman ni Ariela yung question
So,
ko.
obigayni na lang ako.
Sige. She wants to be a OB-GYN doctor. So,
Because if you're children and a dentist, oh my gosh, it's gonna be too hard.
aray.
The children will keep on crying. They will keep on Mommy, I don't
Sige, okay na. Kung ayaw mo na, ayaw niya siguro nung maingay yung kids.
Tingnan mo guys sa ibang pictures. Tingnan mo sa mga baby videos, ang hirap-hirap pag di sila obigay. Pag obigay ni mga matanda, they're not crying. Yung mga bata, ish.
Okay, I understand what you're trying to say. Okay, yan, narinig yun na kung how will Arella will earn 1,000 peso a day. It's more than that, being a doctor. Okay, thank you for watching our...
No, I'll be...
Thank you for watching our video. Bye. God bless.